In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in a Smartsheet column. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the date column you want to update. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if you work across multiple sheets with similar layouts. Once the sheet is open, locate the date column that you want to modify. Next, click directly on the header of that date column. This is important because the formatting settings are applied at the column level, not just to individual cells. By selecting the column header, you're telling Smartsheet that you want to update how every date in that column is displayed. After that, open the column properties or the date format settings. Depending on your Smartsheet view or interface version, this may appear in a drop-down menu or a settings panel. Take a moment here to confirm that you are editing the correct column, since changing the format will affect the full column display. Once you're in the formatting options, choose the date format you want to use. Smartsheet typically gives you several display choices, such as different month, day, and year arrangements. Select the one that best matches your reporting style, team preference, or regional standard. If you share sheets with others, it's a good idea to use a format that is easy for everyone to interpret clearly, especially to avoid confusion between day first and month first date styles. When you've selected the format you want, apply the new format to the column. This should update the visible display of all dates in that column. Keep in mind that this usually changes how the dates appear, not the actual date values themselves. So you're adjusting presentation rather than replacing the underlying data. Now review the dates in the column carefully to make sure they display correctly. Scan through several rows and look for consistency. This is a helpful moment to catch anything that may look unusual, such as dates that appear differently than expected or entries that may not have been recognized properly. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, save the sheet. Saving after reviewing the results helps ensure your formatting change is preserved and ready for anyone else who uses the sheet. And that's it. You've successfully updated the date format in your Smartsheet column, making your sheet cleaner, easier to read, and more consistent for ongoing use.